Did you know that a clean home can influence how quickly it sells? It's all about psychology. When potential buyers step into a spotless environment, they're not just seeing a property. They're feeling a sense of warmth and comfort. TidyTex Home Cleaning understands this emotional connection. As a retired Army veteran-owned service in San Antonio, we specialize in making homes shine, helping realtors enhance property showings and close deals faster. Our reliable and professional cleaning service focuses on every detail, turning homes into inviting spaces that buyers can envision themselves in. We know time is of the essence, which is why we offer quick turnarounds, ensuring your listings are pristine before open houses. Here's a tidy tip. For little to no cost, realtors can enhance a home's appeal by opening all the blinds and turning on lights for showings. A well-lit, bright space makes buyers feel at ease and highlights a home's best features. With TidyTex, you're not just getting a cleaning service, you're investing in a strategy that can make your listings irresistible. Check the video description for more details and contact us today for a transformation that sells.